Let's get started. But before we jump into Webflow, I actually want to explain a quick concept that is super important before you dive into Webflow so that you understand what you're even doing within Webflow. So the concept is called the box model, and here's basically what I want to show you. Everything on the web is actually boxes within boxes. So here's the Apple website. I'm on Chrome here. I'm gonna click inspect, which basically gonna show you the code for this website. So what you can see here on the top is called HTML, and that's the code for this. And you can see as I move through this, you actually see the boxes on this page, and it's basically just boxes nested within boxes. The button here, as you can see, is a box, and it's called a button. That's the name of this box, and by giving it a style, a name, basically that's what you see down here. That's the CSS. Basically, that's the style. The name defines how does it look like? So what's the font size? What's the background of this? Exactly how this button looks, because it's called a button. So this is in like 30 seconds, 70% of what you need to know about building for the web. It's basically boxes within boxes within boxes. These boxes have a name, and the name, the style, basically defines how they look like and how they interact with one another.